Welcome students. This is 120 days optimum plan for prelims 2023. We're going to solve all the problems in CSAT, previous year question papers as well as some CSAT based questions. So if you are going to crack UPSC exams, you just practice this. It takes nearly 20 minutes to 30 minutes a day, not more than that. Only 5 questions. So each question I'm going to give you 1 minute time. So then and there you're going to solve the question. If you're not able to solve the question, I'm going to help you with shortcuts and tricks. So daily 5 questions. It helps you a great increase in your speed and accuracy every day. Right, let me start from the first question. What is the value of x in the sequence? Sequence is given. Just try. I give you 60 seconds time. Start. Yes, time up. Now, I don't know how many of you got answer for this. If you got answer, super. Otherwise, just I explain this question. Look at this. The given sequence is 20, 10, 10, 15, 30, 75 and next number x. So always whenever you got these kind of sequences, first we need to check the difference between the one number and other number. So in what difference it was traveled. So sometimes we can get the idea, logic. Otherwise we need to think any multiples or any divisions are happening here. Okay, so first it was 20, then it comes half of 20 is 10, again it was 10, then it became 15, then 30. So somewhat it was half and double is going there. So now I'm going to take 20, first is half. So let's take into 0.5. 20 times 0.5 is nothing but 10. So next one is take 10 into, look at this, again I got 10, so I can take 1 here. 10 into 1 is 10. Next step, 10 times 1.5, look at this, I got the answer 15. Yes, then 15 times 2, so I got the logic now, right? So it was 30, and next 30 times 2.5, that is 75. So now tell me that 75 times 3, that is 225. Right? So answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. I give you 1 minute time. Just complete it fast. Got the answer? Look at this. Always when the numbers are in exponentials on roots or surds and indices, whatever we called, Okay, so first of all we need to convert the base value into same. It helps you to get idea for the next step. So the question is based on which number among this is the smallest one. So if I convert everything into base value is same, I can able to predict the answer, right? So first one is 2 power 40 and 3 power 21. So I can't able to do anything because 2 and 3 are prime number, right? But when I comes to 4 power 18, okay, 4 I can write 2 power 2, 2 power 2 power 18. That means x power m the whole power n, we had a formula that is x power m times n. Okay, now I'm going to do that. So 2 power 2 into 18. So I can write 18 into 2 is 36. Okay, so the value of this is 2 power 36. Okay, now let's take 8 power 12. So 8 power 12 I can write 2 power 3. That means 2 cube is 8 power 12. So 12 times 3 is what? 36, right? So 2 power 36. Look at this, guys. Both are gives the same answer. Okay, so these two will not be the answer. 4 power 18 and 8 power 12. So the remaining is 2 power 40 and 3 power 20. And look at this. 2 power 40 is more than 2 power 36. Correct? So this is also not a smallest number. So the remaining one is 3 power 21, and 3 power 21 is very smallest number comparing to others. So I know that the answer is option B, 3 power 21. Very simple. So I took the answer and I not finding the exact values, just comparing with other values and getting the answer, right? Look at this question. Try to solve this fast. Yes, time up. Okay, guys, look at this question. This question is called a data sufficiency. So this kind of sufficiency question, you no need to find the exact answer. Instead of that, I need to find whether the given statement is useful for getting answer or not. From this statement, I can get the answer. It is sufficient or not. That's what we're going to find. Okay. So the question is x an integer? So I want to find that x is an integer or not. Okay. So if I want to find whether the x is an integer or not, let the help of statement 1 and 2 we're going to discuss. Right. So first is x divided by 3 is not an integer. Let's take x is equal to 2. For example, if I take 2 over 3. Look at this. In this 2 by 3, our answer will be definitely not an integer. It will be a decimal value, right? Because we need to know whether it is an integer or not. I don't want the exact value. So this is right. But if I take 3 by 3, right? If x value is 3, this is x value, and here this is x value, then it is not an this is an integer, right? But they says it was not an integer. Okay, so from this statement 1, I can't able to predict it is an integer or not. Is it clear? Next, so actually we had 4 options: A, B, C, D. From option A, statement 1, See, look at this. Option A is statement 1 alone is sufficient. That is not right answer. If 1 alone is not right answer, okay, so let's go to the statement 2. Statement 2 is what? 3x is an integer. So let's take 3 times x value. Let's take any one value. Okay. So 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is an integer. I will take like this. 3x is an integer is equal to 2. Can I take like this? Look at this. X is equal to 2 over 3. This is not an integer. If I take more than 3, it is possible. Look at this. 3x is equal to, if I take 6, okay, 6 by 3, that is 2. So this is an integer. Okay, but less than 3, definitely not. And also, if you take 4, it is not possible. So both the statement not gives the right answer. Okay, now if I take 1 and 2, both statement 1 and 2, that is also not right. Okay, so the remaining one is statement 1 and statement 2 are not sufficient to answer this question. Okay, while I cancelling option A itself, I can cancel option C also. Okay, both statement 1 and 2 are sufficient to answer the question? No. Okay, so that is also not possible. So while I am cancelling A, I can cancel C also. So check B. If B is right, that is the answer. B is not right, D is the answer. I hope you guys understand this. Right. Next question. Just try this. Then I will explain this. 1 minute time. Fast. Okay. I hope most of you will not get answer for this because it is little bit, it takes time. Not tough problem, but it takes time. We need to understand the logic. Either you can check from the options. That is one thing. And the other easiest way is hidden plugin. We call that as, if I don't know the value, the exact value is not given, let's take 100. Okay, initially it was 100. I am going to, this is A. A had 100 rupees. Now, it's going to take half of the coins. That means 50 plus 2. Right? That is 52. It's going to B. Correct? Right. From B to C. Okay, look at this. B gives half of the coin and 2 more to C. Okay, so half of 52 is what? 26 plus 2 coins. So it was 28 to C. Right? And C gives half of the coins and 2 more to D. So from here, okay, so C gives half of the coin means 14 plus 2, that is 16 to D. Correct. How many coins does A have in the beginning? This is what the question. In this, I don't know the initial A was how much he had, so we take 100. But from this, we can do one thing. They says that the number of coins D has now is the smallest 2-digit number. They gave one clue. Okay, smallest 2-digit number is what? Look at this. 2-digit number starts from 8, 9, then 10. This is the first 2-digit number. Then 11, then 12, then 13. So I want smallest number. So smallest 2-digit number is 10. So this is 10. So same technique I am going to start from here. Look at this. they are adding 2 with the previous number, half of the number plus 2. So I am going to subtract 2 first. Okay, subtract 2 and double the number. What is the logic? I need to take half and plus 2. So if you're going in reverse, you need to subtract, okay, subtract 2 and double the value. Okay, so that's what we need to do from reverse. Okay, so it was 8. If I double it, it will be 16. So I come to here, it was 16. Is it correct? Now from here 16, what I need to do? 16 minus 2 and double the value. Okay, 16 minus 2 is what? 14. Double it, 28. Correct? Now again, so from D I came to C, and now it was in the B. So from B go to A. So A is, again I need to subtract 2 from here and double it. Okay, so 26, double the value, it will be 52. So this is what the right answer. Exactly, I got it. So just take this value. Okay, the 16 is, now it was 10. So go from the reverse, you will get the answer. Okay, last question. I give you 1 minute time. Just go it fast. Okay, so this is also not easy, but once you understand this concept, it was very, very easy. See, first I am going to take, look at this, how many seconds in total are there in X weeks, X days, X hours, X minutes and X seconds. Okay, so let's look at this. Seconds is 1 second. Okay, this is 1. But minutes means 60 seconds. I am going to convert everything into seconds. So take this as 1. So 1 into 60. Correct? So let's start from the minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. I want to convert everything into seconds. Okay. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 times 60. That is what? 3600. I will write it elaborately, clearly, so it is easy to understand. And 1 day is what? 60 into 60 is hour. How many hours? 24 hours a day. For, yes, 24 hours. So what is the value? 604800. Correct. Next, 1 week. So first write everything. 60 seconds for a minute into 60 for an hour into 24 for a day and for 7 days. That is for a week. So it will become this is 604800. Sorry guys, for this 86400. Okay, if it is possible, you can boycott these numbers. Okay, for 1 day how many seconds, 1 week how many seconds, right? And next one is we going to add all these numbers. Okay, see, for week 604800, then a day 86400. I need to write X with this. Okay, I will leave a gap, plus 86400, then plus 3600, then plus 60 plus 1. Right? I need to write X with this because they are asking answer for X weeks, X days, X hours. So multiple of X. How many hours, how many days, how many weeks, how many minutes they are asking, I will multiply with this. Okay, so write x with this. Now, okay, if you add this, you will get the answer 694,861x. This is the right answer. But guys, if you are smart, you can do one thing. Look at this. This ends with 0. This ends with 0, 0, 0. But second, I want to find for x second also. So second is 1. So if I solve it, my answer will be ending with 1, not with 0. Because look at this. If I take 100, then 200, then 20. Okay. And there is only one number, 1. If I add this number, the unit digit will be ending with 1, right? So everything is ending with 0. Okay, but the only one thing is ending with 1. So this A and C will not be the answer. Okay, the remaining two options are, look at the remaining two options. One is 11581, another one is 694,861. So obviously we know that the higher value is the answer. This will not be the answer. Correct? So this is also the way we can eliminate the wrong answers. So I hope you guys understand all these 5 questions easily and within that time how to complete this. So every week we are conducting the CSAT classes with shortcuts and tricks. Also we conducted a test. So everything. So day plans, test series and everything. So if you are interested, you can contact in the given information. Telegram number is given. We can see you in the next class, day 2, next series. Thank you. All the very best. Take care.